Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes-Benz A-Class. So if you go to your, let's just knock that off. If you go to your iTunes, you see at the bottom there the silver or white triangle with the 3 circles above it, and Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth there. So if I click on that, you'll see there's a tick by Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth. So once I've got to Bluetooth on this system, it will play whatever's on my iPhone. I'll turn that down there, and then we need to get to audio. So if it's in sat-nav, you can't use the back button to get back to the radio or the radio functions. So if we go click to radio, I'll just have to make sure this is turned down. And you see across the top the menu, Navi, Audio, Telephone and System. If we push the selector forward onto and then navigate to audio, and you'll see a little triangle down there, down arrow. So we'll click on audio, and there you've got disk, USB storage and Bluetooth audio. That's what we need, Bluetooth audio. Activating Bluetooth audio. Now whatever's playing from your phone will play on there. So if I turn this up, turn that up, and then I control it from here. There you go. That's playing from my my phone through the system. I've got to say, sometimes, and I'm not sure why, it doesn't bring your phone up. So what you have to do then is, if you go to audio, click on audio. If Bluetooth isn't there in that system, we just go back and then click down to the bottom menu, and you've got BT audio there. Go to BT audio, click on BT audio, and you've got Bluetooth audio device list. Select that, and then you might just have to highlight whichever phone you want to play music from and select like so. That's it, that's how you do it.